And if you're headed out there tonight, it's indoors, so you don't have to worry about the heat out there.
Yeah, just going from your car to the mall might be bad enough, even for that 1 minute, especially when the humidity is this high. It makes it a little harder to breathe out there. Tomorrow, even worse. Take a look, though, outside. It's at least a beautiful day out there. We have tons of sunshine, and we have some very warm temperatures. Let's bring on the numbers and see what we're looking at right now. We're looking at a current temperature of 90 degrees across San Antonio. The winds are out of the south at 3 miles per hour. Dew point sitting there at 71. The closer that is to the actual air temperature, the higher the feels like temperature. And we have that feels like temperature of 96 right now. And the winds at 3 miles per hour. So unfortunately, not much of a breeze to help cool us off. So we have 90 here in San Antonio. Del Rio, one of the hot spots, double 9, just below the triple digit mark there by 1 degree. 97 Eagle Pass, Carrizo Springs also 97, 93 for Pearsall and Cotulla Junction, normally one of the cool spots. It's one of the hot spots, 97, because there's more dry air off to the west. Not so much off to the east. 84 LaGrange, 86 in Giddings, and 90 for you in Gonzales. Some hot numbers. Take a look at these feels like temperatures. This is how hot it's going to feel like as we head through the next few days. Here we are tomorrow evening. By the end of the afternoon, feels like numbers of 110 for San Antonio. Now, these are models, but still, this is about what we're expecting. 111 in Pleasanton, 110 San Marcos by the end of tomorrow afternoon, 112 in Cotulla. We'll cool off a little bit Thursday night, but then Friday afternoon we head right back up there. Not quite as bad, but still the mid to upper 100s, 105 for San Antonio, 109 Carrizo Springs. Tells you just how hot it's going to be for the next few days. Radar is dry, nothing to talk about there. We have the sunshine and lack of rainfall, where there is no lack of rainfall. Well, it's to the east and south of the center of Tropical Storm Arthur, winds are at 45 miles per hour. The center of it, south of Houston, really not that far from us, but all the convection displaced well off to the south and east. The central Gulf Coast is going to have to deal with that one. For us, we're going to have dry air for the most part for the next couple of days. Here's the hour-by-hour forecast. We'll start you out tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. Notice the clock just above my head. Partly to mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures starting out in the 70s. A very muggy start to the day. We'll tap into the sunshine by the afternoon. Here we are by the end of the day. Most of us highs in the upper 90s to around 100 degrees. The hottest temperatures as usual in our southwest counties, where highs could top 100 to 105. This model wants to go a little bit higher than that. Looks like we should stay dry tomorrow. As we head into your day on Friday, we'll start out with more cloud cover as the moisture increases. Temperatures starting out in the upper 70s to around 80. By the end of the day, once again, we're going to get the sunshine, but we do have some storms rolling on through Friday. About a 30% chance for your Juneteenth. That could cool us down, but even with those storms, we'll stay very steamy. So even if we drop into the 80s to low 90s, the heat index will still be well over to or near 100. For tonight, mostly clear skies. We'll drop into the mid-80s by the mid-evening hour. South-southeast winds 5 to 15 miles per hour. Your forecast for tomorrow, 86 by noon, 96 the daytime high. But again, it'll feel more like around 110 to 112 during the peak heating of the afternoon. 14-day forecast showing the weather impact alert for tomorrow afternoon through your Friday, as temperatures will top the 110-degree mark for the feel-like temperatures, even though the highs will stay in the upper 90s Thursday, low to mid-90s on Friday. And there's that 20% chance of rain back in the forecast for Friday, 50% on Saturday. It goes back down to 20% on Sunday. And then we'll see slight rain chances here and there for the rest of the 14-day, with highs staying in the low 90s.